Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can invite Midjourney bot, Discord bot to your channel. Basically, you need to first of all, join the Midjourney Discord. You just need to go to discord.gg/midjourney and get in. And once you are inside, you are gonna see on the right side Midjourney bot. Then what you need to do is right click on it and tap on add to server, and then you are gonna choose the server that you want to edit. So you choose here your server and click continue, and once you do that, it will appear, I'm going to show you on my server, it will appear Midjourney bot, and then you can just have fun with it. So just type /imagine and whatever you like, just give it a prompt whatever you like to generate, and it will generate. Of course, there is many things you can do it, but this is the core base how you can invite Midjourney Discord bot to your server. So I think there is limit. I think it was like servers up to 1000 users. I think they likely increase to 10,000 users. If you have servers with up to 10,000, I think still be okay. So just try it out and see if it works for you. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.